Hot work is still one of the main causes of fire in construction sites because it involves operations that create a spark or flame that can trigger fire or explosions. Hot work also relates to any electrical work in areas that may contain flammable or explosive atmospheres. These processes of work in a construction site carry the threat of industrial fires that could be dreadful for your staff, your business properties, as well as jobs under construction. Some examples of hot work include welding, cutting, soldering, brazing, and grinding. These can create significant hazards that put workers, those around them, and the premises itself in danger. Every year, hundreds of construction workers die due to fire caused by hot work, and construction companies are losing almost $287 million every year in direct property destruction due to these fires. These numbers are just an indication that serious precautions are crucial to perform hot work in a safe manner. But how are we going to do this? First things first, let's talk about the basics. Process hot work permit. A work permit is not just another piece of paper to fill out for you to finish a job. This permit helps us all ensure that the area is safe for such operations and that you will be able to return to work the next day. To process a permit for hot work, you must fully understand the hazards that it poses and what control measures are necessary for mitigating these risks. Safety precautions for hot work require a consistent application and proper training. A permit for hot work ensures that every person that will be involved in this type of work must fully understand their responsibilities and that the work does not start without proper authorization and safety protocols in place. Next is supervision. This can be done by someone who fully understands the risks that may happen, such as a supervisor or a fire watch. They must have received proper fire extinguisher training and should monitor the main area where the work will occur, as well as the floors below and above it. A fire watch must be present at least 30 minutes after work to be able to secure that a fire doesn't start. And the safety precaution would be, of course, wearing PPE or personal protective equipment. Get this following PPE: safety glasses and goggles. These should protect you against sparks, fumes, and welder's flash. Helmets that are compatible with welding hoods, face shields, etc. Hearing protection. Noise coming from hot works might harm your ear. Clothing made of heat-resistant materials, such as an apron made of leather and flame-resistant leggings. Safety boots. Gloves made of leather or fabric so they won't easily get burned. And consider also wearing respiratory protection to protect against deadly chemicals and gases. Be well informed enough before using it. Remember to wear the proper clothing before you start working. The 3 common hazards of hot work include fire and burn injuries, health risk, and electrical hazards. The impact of these hazards can be severe and expensive for any business. Injuries can result in workers taking time off work, while a serious fire could damage the building irreparably. Both of these could even lead to legal consequences under certain situations. You cannot eliminate hot work in construction. What you can do is eliminate the risks and be cautious. Stay safe when performing hot work. Remember, one loose spark is all it takes to burn down your building.